ہے اس میں کیا چلیں بتا دیں زبانی. آپ کی سی پی ریٹ پٹیشن تھی
جی, this is writ petition number 2014 of 2018
of 2018
titled Imran Khan versus the Election Commission of Pakistan.
اس کا فیصلہ کا تاریخ کیا ہے
جی 18/7/2018.
اس میں کیا فیصلہ ہوا ہے؟
جی اس میں لوکس اسٹینڈائی کا کوشچن ایڈریس ہوا.
اسٹینڈائی کو چھوڑیے,
سوری ممبرشپ کا, میری ممبرشپ کا معذرت. اور جو فیصلہ ایس ای سی پی ای سی پی نے کیا تھا, الیکشن کمیشن آف پاکستان نے اس کو برقرار رکھا کہ میں ممبر ہوں, اور اس کو دوبارہ چیلنج نہیں کیا گیا.
اوکے ٹھیک ہے, چلیں ختم ہو گئی بات. پھر ای سی پیز ڈیسیجن, ای سی پیز ڈیسیجن, نو فردر چیلنج. چلیے کنٹینیو مسٹر مخدوم علی خان.
My lord, I was respectfully drawing your attention to the fact that going back,
these elections were held unopposed because my lord read something.
Yes.
How can you hold it unopposed? There was nobody contested.
There were 3 panels, but at the end of the day, the election commission said that on the last day, the 2 other panels withdrew, and only the panel of Mr.
How many posts were contested?
कोई भी no post was contested.
No, मेरा मतलब how many posts were on to be elected on?
They were, my lord, for the chairman of the party.
Total posts कितने थे?
Total, my lord, I'll just count it. Total.
Page 79 से शुरू. Let Mr. Sikandar do some work. سکندر صاحب مشکل سے ہاتھ آتے ہیں. نہیں یہاں سے مخدوم صاحب یہ پیج 79
Page 78 onwards, my lord, and 79.
پوسٹ الیکشن ہے یا بہت سارے پوسٹ ہیں؟
سر ایک پوسٹ ہے, پیج 79 to 80.
پیج
79 to 80 in part 1.
کبھی کبھی ہوتا ہے نا ایک پوسٹ پہ نان انپوز آ جائے.
سارے پوسٹ آ گئے, سارے 15 کے 15 انپوزڈ ہیں, آپ دیکھ لیجئے.
یہ تو ذرا سا تو بڑی ہائیلی کنٹیسٹڈ ہوتے ہیں سیاست میں, باتیں لڑائیاں بھی ہوتی ہیں, مجھے ٹکٹ چاہیے. دیکھنا یہ الگ الگ کیٹیگریز میں ہے.
جی سر,
پہلے
سیکرٹری جنرل
79 پہ ہے سینٹرل آفس بیئررز کا جو نوٹیفیکیشن ہے.
جی سر,
اس میں 15 آدمی انپوز آ گئے.
جی سر.
اس کے بعد پیج 81 پہ پروونشل آفس بیئرر کی لسٹ ہے بلوچستان کی.
جی سر,
یہ 18 انپوز آ گئے,
سب انپوزڈ ہیں.
اے پی کے کی لسٹ آئی. اس کے بعد 82 پہ یہ 18 انپوز ہیں.
اس میں سر
20 انپوز ہیں.
20 ہے, وہ سب انپوزڈ ہیں.
اس کے بعد پنجاب کی لسٹ آئی ہے.
جی سر, وہ
20 انپوز ہیں پنجاب میں بھی.
جی سر.
اور پھر آخری میں سندھ کی ایک لسٹ آئی ہے, یہ بھی 17 انپوز ہیں.
سب انپوزڈ ہیں.
تو یہ پورے الیکشن میں جو یہ جو ریزلٹ ہے نا, جو اتفاق سے میری ابھی نظر پڑی تو فائل کے اوپر, یہ سارے انپوز ہی الیکشن.
All of them are 100%.
ہوا نہیں. Who is this person, Niazullah Khan Niazi? Is he in attendance today?
شلون نسوي ابلكيشن توصيل في
Chief Election Commissioner PTI.
Is he a party in this?
Party respondent number 2, Lordship. Respondent number 2, my lord. Respondent.
مگر یہ کچھ ذرا سمجھائیں بات. ایک دو پوسٹ تو ہوتی ہیں انپوز ہو جاتے ہیں لوگ, سارے کے سارے انپوز آ گئے. جی آپ سے نہیں پوچھ رہے نا, ان سے پوچھ رہے نا کیا نام ہے ان کا, نیاز اللہ خان نیازی صاحب سے.
جی صاحب,
یہ عجیب سا اتفاق ہے یا کیا؟
جی نہیں, عجیب اتفاق نہیں ہے, کیونکہ اکارڈنگ ٹو اوور رولز.
میرے رول کی بات صرف آپ صرف فیکٹ پوچھ رہے ہو نا, بحث نہیں کر پوچھ رہا ہوں. صرف یہ تصدیق کر نہیں, بتائیں نہیں, تصدیق کر دیں. ہاں سارے انپوزڈ ہیں. کوئی بھی نہیں الیکشن, ایک الیکشن بھی نہیں ہوا پورے پاکستان میں.
پورے پاکستان
آپ نے فارم ایشو
پینل الیکشن تھا. پینل اگر رولز میں پڑھیں گے جو پینل میں
بحث سنیں گے, آپ کیا فکر نہ کریں. یہ آپ ماشاء اللہ آپ کے سینئر موسٹ کاؤنسل اٹینڈنس جی ٹھیک ہے. سو دے کنسیڈ آن the fact that they all unopposed.
They were all unopposed.
Central as well as throughout Pakistan.
Central as well as in all the 4 provinces of Pakistan.
Which what do you say?
My lord, that is one of the submissions, and that the election commission notes that if the elections were held in accordance with the constitution under the supervision of a proper election commission, and the party's constitution was followed, because the election commission takes the position that it's not merely that an election has to take place, the election has to be in accordance with the constitution of the political party.
But again, the very word election means what? Simple language means I elect to engage your services, or I elect to engage, to use counsel Mr. Sikandar Bashir's services.
My lord.
As counsel, in everything else also election, you want to elect to go to this restaurant or that. In an election, it will be you elect this person or that person or these number of persons.
Yes, sir.
So, otherwise, constitutions and simply say whoever the chairman decides will be deemed to have been elected. So let's either go with democracy, because after all, it's not just democracy, it's representative democracy.
And that is what the Election Commission says. And my lord, the Election Commission further says that when it came to the Election Commission itself, there is no document on the record to establish that the previous election commissioner was removed lawfully, or did the
Previous election commission कौन सा है?
Sir, इनका जो chairman थे previous federal election commission के, there was a gentleman called Jamal Akbar Ansari, and the election commission notes that in its order, which
wasn't it Mr. Justice Fajuddin?
my lord, that was much earlier. That was in 2017 at that time, and there a controversy arose again whether the elections were fair or not. But that's not the controversy before your lordship. And
so after that, there was another election commission and another.
yes, sir. And Mr. Jamal Akbar Ansari later on ceased to be an election commission, and there were no other election commissioners.
What is Mr. Jamal Akbar Ansari's viewpoint?
My lord,
Or he's not been heard?
I'm not aware, and he's not arrayed as a respondent by them before the Peshawar High Court, because now
Would he be relevant as a party?
my lord, he was not a party before the Peshawar High Court.
No, would he be, in your opinion, relevant party or not a relevant?
Not really, my lord. Okay. Not really, because the election commission just takes the position that he was neither removed in terms of the constitution of the party, nor did election to any of the election commissioners, which were, as your lordship noticed, they were to be from each province, one from each province. That took place, and therefore these unopposed election results were declared only and only by the person who is now the respondent number 2 of before your lordship in the petition, and the certificate has been issued.
Which certificate?
My lord, the certificate which was submitted to the election commission.
Can you take us back to that provision of the constitution which requires the whatever?
Yes, my lord.
Where was that provision? Page?
The election commission, my lord, is set up under the chapter is chapter 1, part 8, elections. Article 200 onwards.
Either your terminology here it says Federal Election Commissioner.
My lord, you're talking. I'm
Page,
so sorry.
I'm at page 192, which we were referred to.
My lord, I'm sorry, I misunderstood it as the Constitution of Pakistan.
No. Federal Election Commissioner.
Yes, my lord.
But here at page 80, Mr. Niazullah Khan Niazi describes himself as Chief Election Commissioner.
My lord, yes.
Why not Federal Election Commissioner? 6 people.
Yes, my lord, he is.
Because the terminology in their constitution is federal. So he may be of a province or I don't know. Why the terminology has been changed?
My lord,
यहाँ page 80 पे देखिए.
Yes, sir.
For instance, इधर वो अपने आप को कह रहे हैं Chief Election Commissioner. और पेज 192 में आइन में उनके है कि Federal Election Commissioner और फिर one Commissioner from each of the all four provinces and one each from AJK, GB, total of 6.
Federal Election Commissioner, Chief of the Federal Election Commission, one Commissioner from each of all four provinces, and one each from quasi-provincial areas of AJK and Gilgit-Baltistan. Okay. So a total of 6 plus
6 plus 1 7. अब आप जरा आ जाइए पेज इनके जो इन्होंने रिजल्ट्स जो दिए हैं जी
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये वो जो उनके लोकल प्रोविंसेस के कमिश्नर्स हैं, वो तो किसी के दस्तखत नहीं है, वो तो एक साहब के हैं जो अपने आप को चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर कह रहे हैं.
Everything has been done by this particular.
मतलब मैं जरा समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. चलिए वहां तक तो समझ आ गया, फेडरल तक, तो प्रोविंशियल तक तो सूबों वालों को नहीं फाइल करना चाहिए था. अच्छा, ये इलेक्शंस इनके हर सूबे में हुए हैं या एक ही जगह हुए हैं?
सारे केपीके में है.
Because the
इलेक्शन का वेन्यू केपीके
वेन्यू कौन है?
venue was KPK.
नहीं, किस जगह? सूबों का भी और फेडरल का भी अलग अलग हुए हैं वेन्यूज?
No, my lord, and so far as we are aware, these all took place.
नहीं, फिर ये हम इनके लिए सवाल छोड़ रहे हैं खान साहब के लिए. We want to know the venue of the elections, whether all the elections to the federal body as well as the provincial body were also held in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa or they held in the different provinces. The other question, why is the nomenclature being changed from federal election commissioner to chief election commissioner? Why were the results not signed by the other 6 members?
Yes.
So these are questions which they can, have arisen, which they will respond to if you don't have an answer.
My lord, and so far,
चलिए आप बढ़िए आगे. Now we have a problem,
my lord.
as you may note that there are 2 chief justices from other provinces, and we had held 11:30 as for the Supreme Judicial Council to meet. I don't know what will happen. We may not have time, we may have time. So certainly not before 1:30, but we'll let you know. So please stay. I mean, you can go away, but come back at 1:30 to find out. We may reconvene. I don't know what will happen there. नहीं तो आपको हम जब उस अपने कोलीग दूसरे बॉडी में कुछ कह नहीं सकता हूँ, हम जमहूरियत पे चलते हैं. तो वो जो फैसला होगा फिर क्या होता है इसके, इसका कब कितने बजे टेकअप करते हैं.
It is a CPLA from an order of the Honorable Peshawar High Court.
अच्छा, then why are you standing on the left and not the right position? जी,
There is short order, the detailed reasons have not been released.
The detailed reasons have not been released, my lord.
what is the short order?
My lord,
Where is the order challenged?
my lord, the short order is at page 28 of your lordship's paper.
Page
28.
इसमें कोई कैविएट आया है? किसका? इसमें कह रहे हैं शॉर्ट ऑर्डर है खान साहब, लॉन्ग ऑर्डर आ गया है, डिटेल रीजंस आ गए. अभी डिटेल नहीं आए सर.
I am waiting for various and Mr. Ali Jafar.
डिटेल रीजंस आ गए.
जी सर.
Detailed reasons इसके short order.
Detailed reasons are not yet.
When are they expected?
It was actually expected within a week or so it will come, but Mr. Ali Jafar.
चले शॉर्ट ऑर्डर. Where is the short order?
Page 28, my lord.
Can you read it, please?
My lord, yes. For the reasons to be recorded later and subject to amplifications and explanations made therein, the instant petition is allowed in the following manner. We hold and declare that the impugned order of the Election Commission of Pakistan dated 22nd December 2023 passed in case number such and such as illegal without any lawful authority and of no legal effect. The Election Commission of Pakistan is directed to forthwith publish the certificate filed by the petitioner PTI on its website in terms of section 209 of the Election Act 2017. It is further held and declared that Pakistan Tariq Insaf is entitled to the election symbol strictly in terms of sections 215 and 217 read with any other enabling provision of the Election Act 2017 and Election Rules 2017.
You will be arguing this case, Mr. Amir Khan?
Yes. I will tell option number 1 and some other formal notice from them. No notice has been received from AOR. We only learned about this.
No,
case.
that's why I've asked the question. If you, because you filed a caveat, so I have not even read.
Yes.
I got the file very late. I have not read the file. So if you're ready with the case,
No,
we'll
sir,
proceed
not
with
Yeah, because we just received the.
When do you want it for? But then their anxiety will be because
Tomorrow.
The election symbols have to be issued on 13th, which is tomorrow, and the ballot papers are to be sent for printing virtually the next working day thereafter.
yes, naturally, because otherwise how will they? So then,
This is part of the election.
how do you want to proceed?
So the question is that primarily my submission at this moment.
How do you want us to proceed? We will hear submission.
I'll submit that, let the matter be fixed for Monday, and we'll argue, I'll come back prepared.
देखिए, then it will become a purely academic exercise. Or we suspend the order, then we can have Monday. So we have to be fair to both sides. So because we don't mind hearing on Saturday and Sunday even, because we realize that elections must go through as smoothly as possible and in accordance with the law. So we are prepared to sacrifice any working day, any time, morning, night. Now we are just asking your availability. But if we, on your request, adjourn it to Monday, then we will suspend the order, because otherwise we don't know what the reasoning of the decision is.
May I submit and let it be fixed tomorrow. That will give us some time to prepare.
Yes, by all means you're entitled to.